Before you judge hyenas, let me tell you this. Hyenas are some of the most misunderstood animals on the planet. Most people think of them as villains of the wild, but they're actually one of nature's smartest and most resilient creatures. Hyenas are incredible problem solvers, with intelligence rivaling primates. They have unique abilities like a bone crushing bite and powerful teamwork in hunting. And guess what? Their famous laughs are actually a secret language to communicate with each other. Throughout this week, we'll uncover mind blowing facts about hyenas, from their matriarchal clans to their unmatched adaptability. Stick around and see these incredible animals like never before.